Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making your device locatable. Enable location and grant maps/contacts permission. Once done, open your phone or Maps app and tap the search bar. Enter a business name, category, or a phrase such as coffee shop near me to get local results immediately. This connects your position to nearby listings so you can see contact options without delay. After initial results appear, refine them by filtering distance, hours, or ratings to narrow choices. Tap a listing to reveal the phone number, address, hours, and website. That page often shows a direct call button and directions. If you get too many matches, ask your voice assistant or research with a specific street or service to surface alternate contacts and reduce confusion, making it easier to pick the correct number to call. You're almost done. Press the call button to dial or long press the displayed number to copy it to your clipboard for use elsewhere. Before calling, make sure the hours shown match current time and visit the business website to verify info. This avoids wasted calls. If no phone is listed, check the business's social pages or send an online message. If results are missing, toggle location off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.